Hello, my name is John Jairo Franco from the SEAD of Facatativá of the English course 2, word present to teacher Luis Gabriel Diaz. Present perfect. My experience in my life until today. He worked 20 years at Colempaque SAS. I have been to Chile twice and I would like to go to England and Germany one day. I have eaten cubes twice. They don't taste good. This was unpleasant. The best movie I've seen so far is Transformers. I've seen it several times. It's my favorite. I have met 3 people famous. One of them is Margarita Rosa de Francisco, and I have spoken to her twice. In the best concert I have ever been, it is Ricardo Arjona. I have listened to music for more than 10 years. I have been practicing canoeing and rafting. This has been a wonderful experience. We have been living in the city of Facatativá for 30 years. Thank you.